been introduced to the guys last year and gone into my first investment with them at Lizaro and enjoying the process. And I'm here today to learn a little bit more about what the team does. Fantastic. Yeah, really enjoyed all of the speakers, the presentation, transparency and all of the Excel spreadsheets and the costings, and you could ask any questions and get a simple layman's answer or a technical answer, whatever was required. It was great. Been fantastic, really. I've only known of you guys for 6 months, been actively involved as an investor for about 3, and I feel like I've already made some friendships. Check out some of the stuff online that they've got, make yourself feel comfortable, and give them a call, or shoot them an email. They're great people, and better to be in it than not,